Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can reverse a video in TikTok. It's simple, simply start by opening TikTok. Then after go on adding a video. And then choose video from your gallery. Then after choose any video you want from this files. Then as you can see this are results you will get, so this is the video we are going to learn on how you can reverse. So simply choose next. And as you can see this are results you will get, and as you can see this are tools that creators be using while editing. So to reverse your video, simply click on effects, then after opening it you can see that here are tools used in video effects, such as stickers, transition, and so many more, so simply click on time. And now as you can see here are reverse tool, repeat tool, and slow motion tool, so to reverse your video simply click on reverse, and now as you can see your video reversed. So thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.